Yeah. Right now, I am going to share with you an English proverb that is used a lot in English language and is used in a wide range in English language. So that is, one bird in the hand is more worthy than two in the bush or two on the tree. What does that mean? So it means that whatever you have with yourself in your hand right now are more important than the things you don't have but you wish. You're thinking about having anything but you don't have. That thing is not important to you. The thing that you have right now with your hands is more important than that thing that you don't have. So be grateful for all those things that you have